Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the strong importance element in HTML. So if I just go to the MDN webpage about the strong importance element, here we go. So basically, we will create the strong tags to use this element. Okay. The strong HTML element indicates that its contents have a strong importance, seriousness, or urgency. Okay, browsers typically render the contents in bold type. Okay, so as you can see, there is some example here, like the most important rule, the rule you can never forget, no matter how much he cries, no matter how much he begs, never feed him after midnight. So this particular text has a strong importance, right? That is why it is wrapped around with strong tags. Okay. And if you just go here, we have some usage notes as well, which are very, very important. We will get back to that in a moment. And then we have some of the other things as well. And one of the other things we have to remember here, we have another tag, which is the B tag, which we will learn in the next video. Okay. And we have already explored the EM tag, right? And the EM versus the strong tag. So here we have some of the description here. Adding to the confusion is that the fact while HTML4 defines strong as indicating a stronger emphasis, HTML5 defines strong as representing strong importance for its contents. This is an important distinction to make. While EM is used to change the meaning of the sentence as spoken emphasis, something like I love carrots versus I love carrots, strong is used to give portions of a sentence added importance. Something like, hey, warning, this is very dangerous. Both strong and EM can be nested to increase the relative degree of importance or stress emphasis respectively. Okay. So now I know this is a little bit confusing, but the good thing is we do not use the strong or the EM tags quite often in that regard. If we have to italicize or bolden some text, we usually do it via CSS. But I will be very, very thorough in this course. So that is why I am showing you all of the things which we have inside of HTML. Okay. Then we have some basic example, and I'll just copy this one as well. Like, hey, before proceeding, make sure you put on your safety goggles. Okay. And we will have something like this. So let's just go to our code editor and let's just, what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this. And what I'll do, I'll just go here. Okay. Copy this one and paste it down here. Okay. And here I can do something like a paragraph. This is a great HTML5 course. Okay. And for the HTML5 course, what I'll do, I'll just add strong tags here, and I'll just cut the HTML5 course text and put it down inside of the strong tags. Okay, hit save. And now if I go to the browser, I will just go to my website, and as you can see, this is a great HTML5 course. Okay, something like that. So whenever we want to have some strong importance of the text or the content, we use the strong tags for that. Okay. All right. So this is basically the strong importance element in HTML5. Okay. All right.